Hello, it's Fergus here and welcome to this video e-learning course, Foundations on Using Google Classroom. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 tips to get you up and running on using Google Classroom like a pro. In this course, I'm going to cover the following. So I'm going to start off by breaking this down into 7 modules or 7 tips. The first one is going to be just accessing Google Classroom and where to find it within your suite of apps. Once we've been able to access Google Classroom, we'll move on from there and we'll go right ahead and create our first classroom. And of course, then we'll go ahead and give it a name. So once we've given our classroom a name and we've set it up, then the next thing will be really just to have a look around the Google Classroom user interface, or often referred to as the UI. And in particular, we're just going to focus on what it looks like from the teacher's perspective, first of all, because it is slightly different from the student's perspective. Once we've figured out what the user interface looks like, we're going to go right ahead then and we're going to add some students to our Google Classroom. Once we've added students, then from there we're going to take another look at the user interface, but this time we're going to do that from the student's perspective. So once we have some students in there, then we're going to go ahead and explore the classwork page. From there, we're going to move on and explore the stream page. And finally, this is going to bring us to our assignment, so that now once we're familiar with accessing Google Classroom, creating classrooms, and the user interface from both the teacher and the student perspective, then we're going to bring that all together into making it what it could possibly look like for an actual teaching situation. So we go from that kind of overview look to taking it for some actual practice. Thank you for watching this video e-learning course. If you find it helpful, please do like, share, and hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. It really helps things to grow. Thank you very much.